Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of websites to learn coding for free. I'm going to put these websites in the description of the video. First one will be sololearn.com, and Sololearn doesn't just have a website; it also has an Android and an iOS app, so you can like do it right from your phone. That's exactly what I did when I was doing a Java refresher a couple years back. So let me see if I can. You have different courses, so if you want to learn something else other than Java, you can also learn. But I will be focusing on Java in my initial tutorials, and then I'll go to Kotlin, and then something else. But I'll just start with Java first. You have quizzes as well. So Sololearn is kind of nice because once you learn something, you are quizzed on it. So you just quickly see if you actually understood what you just learned. Apart from Sololearn, there's Programmist.com, I believe. So if you go to Programmist.com, you also have all the different courses. This one has Kotlin, which is nice. I think for Sololearn, it has Kotlin in the app, but not like on the website. So Java programming, and this is basically what I'm going to be doing in the tutorials on YouTube here. I'll just follow this same, I'll start with the intro, hello world, talk about the JVM, JRE, JDK, Java data types, and just like that, we'll just go through all this. Really, I'll make it like I try to make it as try to break it down as easy as I can, and then make the tutorials as short as possible, so you can just like try it out and like understand one concept at a time. And another thing I would encourage you to do as we learn is like do examples. I'll go ahead and do the Hello World program here, just so I can explain what I'm trying to pass across. So we're going to be using Visual Studio, right? I was just doing something yesterday with Java, but let's just open a new file. It's just going to be an untitled file like this, and then let's go back to the website and refer to this. So a Java program has a class, and most of these things they're discussed down somewhere here, so we'll also visit this, but for now just do exactly like I say. So we're gonna do a pretty short Java program here, and you can just copy and paste this, or I prefer typing everything because it's like muscle memory. So as you type, you kind of know, you kind of go through the thing where it's kind of like more practice versus just copying and pasting. So class hello world. Right, so we have the class here, and once you do this, or even before you do this, save your file as a Java file, because then it enables the IDE here to kind of bring up the good things like code completion and error detection and all that. So and here's something. The first thing you're going to learn is see the name of your class, hello world. When you're saving the file, it has to be, if it's a Java file, it has to have the exact same name. So hello world .java, it has to have the exact same name like the class, and the first for the class names, the first letter always has to be capitalized. And then Java has a what is that naming scheme? Give me 1 second. See, most of the things you always have to Google. Java naming convention. What is it called? Yeah, camel case. So of course I knew this before, I just forgot. So camel case, right? And basically that is where each word, this is not for the variables, we'll get to that, but just listen. This is for the class. For the class name, the first one always has to be capitalized, and then any other, hello is one word, and then world is a different word. So H should be capitalized, and then W will also become capitalized. So that is like camel case. Let's save the file. Save. Now you see the IDE actually recognizes that this is a Java file now, and if you start doing stuff like main, you see it brings the auto completion suggestions out, and you can just either double click on this or just press enter. And this is how this is where for public static void main bracket string adds, this is basically where the program is run. I'll get into the details in another video, but let's just go in and say system.out.println hello world, like this. And every line like this in Java usually ends with a semicolon. If you don't do that, it's gonna try to give you a warning, syntax error, insert semicolon to complete block statement. So each Java statement always ends with a semicolon like that. So we save this, Control S, and then run code. So just right click on anywhere and then run code. And you see it prints out hello world here in the console. So what I was trying to say is, so we've done this small example here, hello world. What you can go on and do is, add a second line, for example, just so you can get used to some of these things. Just add a second line. The print line, say something like my name is Paul, maybe Paul, just so you can don't just follow the example. Yes, there's going to be an example, but expand and try to learn something extra, right? Oh, we have to save that. See, it's not saved. You have this that little circle here telling you that your file is not currently saved. So if you just run that, it's not gonna give you the updated code. So Control S, and you see the circle disappeared. Then run. Hello world, my name is Paul. So good. This will be basically it for the first easy hello world program. I will explain some things in the next video about, like I said, I'm going to be following this. Mostly everything I'm going to be doing is going to be following this tutorial from programmist.com. So you can just go there, read up on these things, and then watch the video. I believe most of what I believe in, and maybe that applies to me and some other people, but watching things, I kind of learn much more from watching than just reading. So yes, go ahead and read, and then watch the tutorials, and it should kind of further help you understand what you just read, and how to go about doing stuff. Okay. Alright, I guess I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. So hopefully you learn, and if you if you can understand something, or if you need me to, because I talk a little bit fast, so if you need me to slow down, of course I'm gonna slow down. Okay. I'm gonna slow down, so just so everybody gets everything. So in the next video, if If you don't understand anything, just leave a comment, and I will try to address that. Okay, all right.